Now, this is how we can turn off app suggestions on the iPhone. And let's get started. And if you're new here, make sure you become part of the community so you never miss anything important. So whenever I am on the home screen, as such, I can swipe down and so many random apps are being suggested to me. And if I want to turn that off, I open up just the settings app, the main one. And from the available options, I just go to the Siri section, which might as well be titled Apple Intelligence and a Siri. And below, I have a couple of suggestions. So of course you can play with these toggles, but most likely you are looking for the one which is going to show you show in app library or show or suggest apps before searching. So when you turn it off right here, then when you swipe down to access the search, no app is being suggested to you. And the same thing in the app library, like if you swipe all the way to the right, you'll just see your regular apps, but you will not see any suggested apps, right? So that is something which you might as well like and prefer. So that is, I guess, the right option for you. So you can see as well, we have more things like show when sharing. So you can disable the sharing suggestions, right? For example, when you click on share photos, you might not like to see that some pictures or, some people or apps are being shown to you to be like used with that, right? So again, more ways to do that. And also there is one more type of widget on the home screen, which is called the Siri Suggestions widget. And that is generally just a widget which is designed to show you some random apps, like to have the app suggestion. So you can as well disable that or remove it from the home screen and it will no longer suggest anything. So I hope it makes sense. I just tried to explain it as best as I could. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.